All right, so here is an example of how to divide your lines for the AMES lettering, specifically for those letters that are need to be drawn at 1/8 of an inch. I'm sorry for the rocky camera work. I think that's a good position. I won't have to move it from there. All right, so you're going to take that architectural scale and you're going to find the ruler that shows 1/8. Let's see if I can focus that in here. Not very much. There we go. That's good enough. So you see, this is the 1/8. So you're reading this ruler from left to right. Don't pay attention to the big numbers here. You're paying attention to the little ones. So starting with the 0, and then that would be 1/8 of an inch, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. That's why there's a 4 to represent 4/8. Okay? 4 of those 1/8 measurements. So let's get this back focus on the paper. There we go. The paper is already in 1/4. This is college rule paper, and it's already in 1/4 of an inch. So if you take your ruler here, I'm gonna divide it so that I'm gonna line it up so we start the first line on the 0. And you should see that, you know, where you have that second notch is would be 1/4 of an inch, but 2/8. So we're dividing it. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to make a little mark. I'm going to actually make use of the notebook paper so I can have my notches not on the line per se. So I'm going to make a notch here. I'm going to make another notch here. I'm going to make another one here. Another one here. And here. And here. You need a total of 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw one more just for good measure. Okay, and then I'm going to take the ruler and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Starting with my 0 here. Making sure it is in line, right? Because those notches should be hitting. I'm going to make a line here. I'm going to make a line here. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I said I would do 7 for good measure, right? And then I am going to connect my lines. Uh-oh. This is always the trickier part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So now you have about 12 of 1/8 spacing of the lines. Because when you're writing your letters themselves, they need to take up that entire space, right? It's from line to line. A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on and so forth. Okay? Hope this helps.